Hello, everyone. Welcome to tonight's good night meditation. So, today we are going to explore the life of an angel. Now, angels, whenever we have seen a picture of an angel, or thought about an angel, or talked about, read about an angel, there are few things that are common to angels. One is definitely that angels are shown with a halo of light, meaning that they are being of light. And the other is they are shown with wings, right? Meaning they can fly, they are free to fly. They are light in that sense, meaning they are not bound by any bondage, or nothing pulls them into the gravity of the earth, and they are free to fly. And the third characteristic of an angel is they are always shown with a hand, a giving hand. They're always bestowing something, they're always giving something. And one can give something only when one feels full himself. And so, spiritual wisdom tells us that angels are not just out there and, few angels only, but spiritual wisdom tells us that each one is an angel. And when we are talking about each one, we are talking about this tiny point of light. Each tiny point of light is an angelic being of light. That is the reality of an angel. And so, if we really see from that perspective, actually, the whole human race is a race of angels. Just that we have to reawaken that memory within us. And we can do that the more we look at the original self, the angelic self, the one who's full of everything, and the one who belongs to the King of Angels, the Supreme Angel. So, this is a very powerful thought to actually end the day with, also. And the more we understand the soul, the being of light, the more we will develop that conviction that this is not just talk, but we start to experience the qualities of an angel within us. And it's a beautiful life, the life of an angel. So let us explore and play with this wonderful idea and reality of the life of an angel. So, for meditation, like always, we sit in a relaxed position, keeping the body comfortable, and just tuning in into a certain rhythm. And with full concentration, we come into the awareness of the angelic self. And we remind ourselves that the angel is not this body or the role. The angel looks like a tiny, invisible being of light. The angel is free free from any pulls from the physical world. No pull from the body, no pull from any relationships, no pull from object, money, nothing. The angel is free to fly with the mind. And in this world of light, that is the home of the angel, this tiny being of light is drawn towards the abode of angelic beings, living conscient beings of light, tiny points with a halo, all in the home of angels, pure beings of light, untouched by anything that is impure. The King of Angels, the magnificent being of light, the Supreme Being, pulls the angelic beings towards himself. And the angel, with the wings of the mind, just flies very close to the Supreme Angel. And under the guidance of the Supreme Angel, this being of light has only one interest, and that is to explore and discover this wonderful world of light. The angel is interested in angelic activity, learning from the King Angel, the Supreme Being, who very lovingly teaches the trainee angels, the beings of light, there is absolute love and respect between the King Angel and this tiny angel. All are very loving, loving yet detached. And these angelic beings of light know very well the secret of the puppet show. They view the puppets that belong to the physical realm as truly puppets. They are interested in awakening the puppets to their angelic reality. They are interested in angelic activity. They enter into the puppet show with a very clear mission that is to connect their brother angels with their true self, their own reality. They can fly, they don't get stuck in the puppet show. It is their nature to fly. Their whole world is a realm of angelic beings, tiny points of light. They belong to that world of light and they completely enjoy the company of all other brother angels, all like tiny points of light. There is a feeling of silent celebration. Just this sight and thoughts help the other angels discover their own reality. Sweet company of noble beings with a mission to help with love and true compassion for the other beings of light. So, over the next 24 hours and the rest of the evening, we keep attention on our vision and thoughts to see the whole puppet show as just a puppet show. The show which is totally separate from the angel behind the puppet. We keep our focus on the angelic being of light, the tiny point, the one who's noble, gentle, free, can fly, loving, and always giving. have an angelic night ahead. Thank you.